Hello there, this is Nomadic Moth, and this is Fallout 76, the public test server. And we're going to be looking at, well, what you see right here. The railway rifle. Why are we looking at the railway rifle? It's because on the public test server, they've decided the railway rifle wasn't screwed up enough already. And they wanted to screw it up that little bit more. So what have they done? They've gone and slowed it way down. And the Scorch Beast has gone and killed me. Let's start that again. Hopefully he's still in the same place when we... come on. Right. So, what have they done? They've slowed it down to half speed, and they've doubled the AP cost. That is slow. Someone else is taking it on over there. Out of AP very quickly. Jeez. Get up there already. Right, where are we? Oh, for the love of God. And apparently they've made me way more squishy than I used to be. I do not remember dying this often. Taking on a lovely Scorch Beast. Wow. Yeah, I think they've... It's... Are they, like, ramping up the difficulty or something? Let's try that again. Finally, down it comes. Yeah. Not the best. Let's take on some... Let's put Grenadier back on. Gonna get rid of that, because every time I'm shot it takes away some of my AP, and I haven't got much of it to start with. Okay, let's go and play with some super mutants somewhere. Let's go to Huntersville and play with some super muties. Yeah, so as we quite clearly saw there, fire rate is quite slow. I'll compare that to a fixer in a second when we land in Huntersville. See what the railway rifle now does against the fixer. So the railway rifle used to be the best of the best. Oh, this is an interesting one while you're on the public test server as well. So, we all know Ticket for Revenge. It's the 25 faster Furious. So have a look what it is on the public test server. So the Ticket to Revenge on the public test server is... nothing. It has lost all of its legendary effects. I was hoping to show you what a 25% faster fire rate looked like on the public test server, but I can't. So let's stick the Bloodied fixer on. So this is railway rifle versus fixer. Exploding fixer, exploding Bloodied railway rifle. So, listen. Doesn't seem so slow when you are taking on super muties, but against that Scorch, that was terribly slow. AP is not too bad when I haven't got dodgy on, and it's using all my AP up to dodge attacks, which didn't seem to really do anything. Suppose I was concentrating too much on the scorched beasts and getting shot by the scorched themselves. We'll lay that down at my oh, hello, what's that? Yeah, we'll lay that one down on me. Okay, 95% apparently is a total miss there. Oh, right. Now, versus the Fixer. So, why have Bethesda slowed down railway rifles and upped the AP cost? Yeah, the Fixer is now faster than the railway rifle. So they took away 2 shots, snowball alien blasters, and made them rubbish. They took away our explosive energy weapons, and now they've slowed down and somewhat ruined the railway rifle. Are Bethesda looking at this game and going, how can we ruin it for people? How can we find their favourite weapons and make them rubbish? Have people gone online and complained that railway rifles are too powerful and need to be slowed down and ruined? Who knows? So, hang on, I'm thinking. No. Well, I haven't gone online and complained that the railway rifle was too powerful. What are they going to ruin next? They're rebalancing the energy, so auto axes aren't quite so good now. Chainsaws have been slightly ruined. Was the game too easy? Did they really need to change the railway rifle that much? Oh well, who knows? This is only the public test server, so yeah. Get online, complain, tell them to leave the railway rifle alone. Maybe, we don't want it totally ruined. Okay, so, railway rifle. Oh, that's the other thing they've done as well. It no longer bucks right up into the sky when you shoot it like it used to. Just sort of wobbles around. And of course, it's so much slower. And what's it like when you aim down a thingy, down the... Yeah, it bounces around like you'd expect a steam-powered gun to do. So that's more realistic now. It's just a little bit too slow. Nice to use on day-to-day, but it's not a scorch killer anymore. Maybe big guns are where it's meant to be at for killing the scorch beast. They are meant to be end of level, the top of the top, the best of the best. So, I don't know. Let's go to Solomon's Pond and take on the behemoth over there and have a little look, see how long it takes to take that big wee beastie down. So here we are. Turn around. Run down the hill. It's over there having a bath, I do believe. The amount of times I see this poor behemoth killed. He's literally just trying to have a bath. Hello, who's that? Ah, no one important. Here he is in his little pond trying to have a bath. And we just keep popping up and shooting him. Poor thing. Right, so let's fully reload. That's one clip. Halfway. And then he spanks me on the head. And then I give him another clip. And he's gone. So 2 clips. Now, of course, it probably took 2 clips before, but just 2 clips was just so much quicker. So, what are your thoughts? Have they improved the railway rifle with this latest, I won't call it an update because it's still on the public test server, but do you think they've improved it or made it worse? After you've watched this, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more videos, and please leave a comment to discuss. Have they improved the railway rifle, or is it been nerfed and ruined? Well, I've been Nomadic Moss. Thank you, Moss. I've been Nomadic Moth. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.